Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In the last tutorial, we have seen what is basically a stiff system. Now in this tutorial, we will see what are the different types of solvers that are available and how to read that solver. Suppose you are using a particular type of solver, then what is the meaning of that? That we will see in this tutorial. So let's see how these solvers are being named. So suppose for a consideration, we are considering ODE 15S solver. So what is the meaning of the name? So here ODE stands for ordinary differential equation, and 1 and 5 are the order of the equation. So 1 means it is the first order differentiation it is doing, and 5 means it is the fifth order differentiation, and then the S represents the stiff system that we already have seen in the last tutorial. So based on these, there are two major categories. As we have seen already, we have a fixed type solver and we have a variable type solver. Let's see like how and what are the different types of solvers and what is the difference in the names of a fixed type solver and the variable type solvers are there. So coming to fixed type solver, as you can see, you will always have one number in all ODEs. Why? Because it will solve based on the order that it has, and there is no correction need to be done in the sample time. So that's why one order is sufficient to solve the model over time. So that's why you are able to see only one number against the ODE names for the fixed type solver. Sampling time is fixed throughout the simulation, as we already know. Yeah. And let's see what is the other type of solver, variable type solver. So suppose in here we are having multiple solvers. So you can see there are two numbers that are mentioned. These are the equation orders. So 4 5 represents fourth order and fifth order equations, and 1 5 represents the first and fifth order equation. So that's how these variable type solvers will come with two order solving. Like one will be used for the verification of the error that is happening beyond a certain range or not. If it is exceeding that particular error, then there is a correction needed for the sample time. So this is the sample time. It can either reduce or it can either increase based on that error that we are calculating. So that we will see in details how this will be done in the further coming videos. So yeah, this is the solver types and how you will be able to read the nomenclature of the solvers, and this is how you can interpret any solver name. Like if S is there, then it will be a stiff solver. If two orders are there, then it could be a variable type solver, and if one order is there, then it will definitely be a fixed type solver. So that is how you can distinguish between which type of solver is being used and what is the job of individual solver that you are using. In case you are liking our channel, please consider subscribing for latest upcoming videos in the channel. In case you have any suggestions or comment, please share us in the comment section so that we can improve your experience of learning MATLAB in this channel. And happy learning MATLAB. Stay connected to us. Have a good day.